all back together now. What's your vision?
Hello there, this is Silver Nitrate here. I'm gonna open this package of silver that I just purchased on SilverTowne. Brought to you by V2D Heart for Life. One love, one life, V2D Heart for Life. So I'm now going to write on this box here. Crap, this is just the time for my marker to not work when I'm filming this. It's the worst possible time. Yeah, I guess somebody needs to buy new markers for me. So there we go. So V2D Heart. Now we're going to open it. Take these scissors and just start open it. This isn't really working. So as we finish opening this thing here, let's just pretty much open it in half. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Just like that. There we go. Now we're in business. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this out. This is just the wrapper. There we go. So look at all this. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, so this is the silver right here. There's the front of it. And there's the back. So if you'd like to purchase this silver to yourself, just go to silver.com and just go to the deals page for this 1 ounce SilverTowne Lady Liberty silver rounds. This is Silver Nitrate with a silver unboxing video. Have a great day.